that ever roll. No one gets between us, except maybe the trolls. Alva's world, fun is never far away. Alva's world.
Mya Go every day. Mya Go, laugh and play. Mya Go, what do we say? Mya Go, wobbly too.
It's another sunny day in the town of Everyday, and Mya and her friends are at school with Miss Teach.
This week, we're learning all about the human body. RTÉjr, am I right that you have some news to share with the class?
Yes, Miss Teach. I lost my first tooth last night.
RTÉjr, look at that for a gap.
Are you okay, Emily? Were you cycling without your helmet? I didn't hurt myself, Tommy. It just got wobbly and fell out. You're so lucky. I can't wait for my wobbly tooth to fall out.
Pablo thinks differently, sees the world in different ways.
Some kids like to party, some don't, and that's okay. Ren loves her flapping and she likes to sing away.
Noah's really sensitive, Jeff's got so much to say. Tanya has lots of energy.
Nelson's quietly. Llama likes repeating things, and I draw all the pictures in. Where we all get together and the fun begins. Fun begins. Fun begins.
Pablo sees the world in different ways. Pablo thinks differently, sees the world in different ways.
Anything you can dream, Kiva can do. When we work as a team, Kiva can do. We can build anything, Kiva can do. Just try and you will see there's nothing Kiva can do. Wake up, Angus, time to play. We'll always find a way, Kiva can do. Thinking of games to play, Kiva can do. Making new friends each day, Kiva can do. When we're together, then there's nothing Kiva can do. Anything you can dream, Kiva can do.
Foxes, badgers, squirrels and otters, seals and sharks and frogs, hedgehogs, rabbits, bats and hares and owls that sit on logs. We're all on RTÉjr TV. We're watching RTÉjr TV. All the critters come a-running when they hear the gong. There's room for you in the critters crew, and we hope you'll sing along. We're watching RTÉjr TV. It's time for RTÉjr TV. We're watching you, watching RTÉjr TV.
Today on Critters TV, it's the sea lamprey. The sea lamprey is an eel-like creature which lives in rivers and oceans. Lampreys have been around for 450 million years. That's since before the dinosaurs.
Whoa, they're like prehistoric. Look at their teeth. That mouth is even scarier than yours, Gray.
Welcome to Town, where elements abound. Welcome to Town. It's time to jump around. Laughing, racing, jumping, swinging, baking, playing here in Town.
They're wee and they're little and wee. When it comes to adventure, they're tall as a tree. Out in the forest where magic runs free. And with the air, they'll see the wee littles. Out in the forest where magic runs free. Through your heart, you can see the wee littles. Come on an adventure, a ride on Fairy Island. That was a close one, Adam. It's Christmas Eve, Speezy. We need to get back to Earth in a hurry so we can see what Santa brings us. I'm hoping for a new telescope.